Congo. 40,000 euro. So guys, you're just coming back from church. I decided to show you guys new house in our streets. Can you see Maravilla? Sunday rice, white rice with turkey stew for my children. Like a roast. One is eating plantain, two doesn't like plantain. So right now, baby Alice will be eating white rice with turkey.
Love your turkey.
Yeah, no. You get chili first. Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Missy Baby Mommy Vlog Updates with me. So guys, I want to make our lunch. So guys, today I'm just coming back from work, so let me prepare our lunch. They'll soon be back from school. Because today Chidima and the baby Alex have vaccine, so I'll be taking them. But he's here in Campus Aliana taking their vaccine. So 3 o'clock, I'll go and pick baby Alex in the school. Though the appointment is 3 o'clock, but they have to wait for me. So 3 o'clock, I'll go and pick baby Alex. Yeah, they'll go and pick the vaccine. To the man, the baby Alex. Only 2 of them. So that is it. So let me prepare a quick lunch. Here I'm I'm using a prosciutto. You guys know I don't like talking when I'm prosciutto crudo. So over here I have my veggies, onions, red pepper, green pepper, and I have my water. I'll be making this pasta now, but it's the small one, tiny one. So there is a continue washing. Pasta with prosciutto creamy. Okay, let's share. Can you see? Cotton. Mangiatela. Let's take flour. I'm not even supposed to show the flour I'm using. But if I show it now, the people will start using it. Let me just show you. So guys, it's only vanilla. So guys, put Alex. Are we carrying? So guys, we are waiting here. It's like I made a mistake. It's 16th, not 15th, you know, for vaccine. Because you have already went there, everywhere is closed. So right now we are going to pick baby Alex. We are just waiting because it closed 4 o'clock. So we are waiting before we go and pick baby Alex and go back there and check. Maybe I made a mistake. Oh, okay. You guys see for Halloween. What a baby for.
Andiamo, let's go. Siamo in ritardo.
Ho fatto pipì addosso. Baby Alex pipì in the bed. In his bed or in the bed. Mamma mia. Today that we have. Yeah. But it's still closed.
No.
Mommy.
I made a mistake.
Mommy.
It's tomorrow. Because they normally always open on Thursday. Yes, tomorrow is Thursday. See, baby Alex is. I don't want to do puntura. I want for the puntura. So thanks for watching till now. I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.